Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be speaking about 𝗤𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧 versus Quillbot. Who wins? But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are at 𝗤𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧. Now 𝗤𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗂 is like the new kid on the block. And it says, right here, this is what it actually comes up with when you first look at it. It's with the newest artificial intelligence technology. 𝗤𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧 creates natural content resembling human writing and adopts the most advanced algorithm to ensure uniqueness per paraphrase. In order to meet the needs of all users, 𝗤𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧 offers practical settings with rich synonyms, substitutions and flexible sentences reconstruction. 𝗤𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧 supports not only English but also dozens of languages around the world, such as Chinese, French, Italian, Turkish, and so on. Whether you prefer to use desktop version or web version, 𝗤𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧 can satisfy you. Okay, so we'll see about that. We'll see what this is like. And we'll go down here. We'll have a look at the pricing very quickly. One-time fee for a single person. You can do monthly for $39, one-time fee for $214, or you can do yearly for $74. And of course, we also have a wonderful paraphraser called Quillbot. Now, I'm going into the free version of both of these so as to show you the comparison between the two and an equal footing. So I'm going to be putting this one up one spot there, and then on Quillbot, I will keep that on the same spot there, just to make it fair. And the document that we'll be using today is our good old trusty 60-minute profits, and we're going to be grabbing something from chapter 1. So we'll go down to chapter 1, gone past it, go to chapter 1, and then we'll grab a couple of paragraphs out of that, or at least one paragraph out of that, and we'll see how we go. Alright, so we'll go grab that, we'll grab a couple of paragraphs just to there. I'm going to copy that. And what we're also going to be doing is we are going to be going over here to 𝗕𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧, and we're going to be comparing the two different articles in 𝗕𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧, and we're going to be checking out originality to see whether or not it picks up on whether or not it is AI. Okay, so all we need to do is over here in 𝗤𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧 is go down here, get rid of all that content, and then paste our text here. And then all we have to do here is we've got these three options, but the only one that will work for us, because we're on the free one, is spin a new article. We can click on that, and we'll wait a moment, and we'll see how long this actually takes in real time, and we'll see what the quality of this is. Because, I mean, I know that through Quillbot, it makes it quite readable, but we'll have a look and see how readable this is. Have you ever heard of instant commission networks? These are marketplaces that will send you payment via PayPal instantly for every product you sell. Okay. Do you know what immediate commission networks are? Okay. These are online markets where you can instantly receive pay via PayPal for each time you sell. Okay, yeah, not really great, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, it's one of the most exciting opportunities online and one of the easiest, especially if you have any experience with affiliate marketing. You already own a blog, website, or mailing list. Regardless, even if you are a complete beginner, you can still take advantage of these instant cash avenues just by following a few simple steps. If you have any experience with affiliate marketing or already run a blog, website, or email list, it's one of the most thrilling and simple online opportunities. Okay, that's not too bad. Regardless, you can also benefit from these immediate cash opportunities by simply following a few straightforward steps, even if you are an absolute novice. Okay, that last part didn't read too badly. This part was a bit not so great. But what I'm going to do is let's go over here to compare, over here to 𝗕𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧, and we'll place the original article right here. And then we'll go over here to 𝗤𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧, and we'll grab this particular one here, and we'll copy all of this and place that into 𝗕𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗂𝗧. Once we've done that, we will then place that into this particular one into originality to see what it's like. Now we'll go compare and we'll see what this is going to be like. Okay, 76 words, 21% matched. That's not too bad. It's got 80 words, 20% matched. So there we have it. So it's about 20% matched between these here. So you got a sentence there, a little bit there, a little bit there, and that's not too bad. That's actually pretty good. 9 words there, which is, you can always change those up if you need to, I guess. What paragraph was that on? Second paragraph down. Okay, so I'm sure if you looked around, you could probably find things that you could change by just clicking on the actual words or the sentence and just change the word around, make it something different, make it more unique. So that's not too bad. That was not really great in the way it wrote it, but let's have a look at what it's going to be like once we copy it from here, and place that straight into Quillbot. Copy that, I'll place it into Quillbot, and we'll see what Quillbot's like. And we'll do it real time so we can actually see what it's like. Okay, cool. Let's hit paraphrase, and we will see what this is like. Okay, this is written almost identically. Do you know what immediate commission networks are? Do you know what immediate commission networks are? Oh my gosh. With these platforms, you can receive immediate payment, PayPal money, for each goods you sell. Oh, that's actually not well written. Let's have a look here. Alright, so I'm almost going to be doing it line by line. It's one of the easiest and most interesting online business prospects, especially if you have any affiliate marketing experience or already have a blog, website, or mailing list. However, even if you're a total beginner, you can still benefit from these rapid income outlets by simply adhering to a few basic measures. Yeah, actually, the second part by 𝗬𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂𝗯 wrote it better than Quillbot. Wow. Okay, Quillbot's losing this one. All right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 𝗕𝗂𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗶. I'm going to go back one step. I'm going to grab this one, and then I'm going to just copy that and place that straight over here into originality. And we'll see whether or not it picks up on whether it is done by an AI. We'll also do plagiarism check. Okay, now we'll do plagiarism check as well. We'll just go scan and see what happens. Now this will take a moment or two, so I'm just going to pause the video while it does it. Okay, so it says 1% AI. That's impressive. That's actually really impressive. Now let's have a look and see what Quillbot says. See if it picks up on Quillbot's one. So we'll just copy all of that. Go to the top of that, copy it. If I can copy it, why isn't it copying? I'll just copy it there. And we'll just go back over here. And we will place that into here, copy over the top of that, delete that, go Control V, and then we're going to compare. Okay, 24% match. Okay, so there's only 3 words there, 5 words there, 6 words there, and 4 words there. So it seems to have a higher word match between this one and Quillbot, which is really surprising because, you know, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know Quillbot's my baby. I love it, and it's one of the things that I absolutely adore. But yeah, this is surprising that Quillbot's losing this so far. Okay, let's go over here to originality. Let's go back, dashboard, and then content scan. There we are. I'm going to place that straight into here. Go Control V. And we're just going to we'll do plagiarism check as well. And we'll do here, let's do scan and see what it's like. And we'll find out what this is like. Okay, plagiarism, no plagiarism detected. 100% original. Well, that's good. That's a sigh of relief. And AI or 0 says no, it wasn't written by an AI. Well, that's a sigh of relief. Over here, 𝗕𝗂𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗶, few words were too many, so I guess you can always swap the order of those around. And instead of saying beginner, you could say novice or newbie or whatever. You change a few words around here and there just to make it a bit different. Wouldn't be hard to do. It was almost like, actually what I'm going to do is I'm now going to go over here to this particular one. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to place that into here. I'm going to compare the two and see how much they match because that was frighteningly close. Now this one here is 𝗬𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝘂𝗯. I'm going to go get the one from Quillbot and I'm going to see whether or not that one matches. I'm just going to copy all of that and put that straight into here. I have not done this one before and I'm going to be seeing what the difference between these are because I suspect they're going to be very, very close. And we'll just compare them. 5 words there, 4 words there. What's the comparison? 22%. Okay, so they certainly are very, very close. I'm wondering whether 𝗬𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂𝗯 and Quillbot use the same AI when it comes to creating the content, or at least rewriting the content. That was surprisingly close. Actually pleasantly surprised about that. Now, we'll have a look at the pricing. Go over here to upgrade. Now, as I said, $214 for a one-time price. Now, one-time prices are really good. It's always really nice to be able to get that one-time price, and if you can do that, that'd be great. Now, I don't have an affiliate link for this, so the link I'll be leaving here will be for 𝗬𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂𝗯 directly, so I won't get anything benefit from it, but hey, that's what it is. And if you choose that you want to go with Quillbot, because, you know, I love Quillbot, and as you all know, I've done quite a few videos on Quillbot by now. If you want to have a look at Quillbot and try that out, you're welcome to do that as well. To be perfectly honest, Quillbot didn't write it very well. I'm really quite surprised at that. Now, I'm not even going to give that a second go. I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to mark this one down as 𝗬𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂𝗯 one. That is the first time I've ever really come across anything that has beaten Quillbot hands down. That was really quite surprising. It didn't win against Quillbot in originality. It was very, very close. I don't quite recall off the top of my head what the original amount was, but I'm thinking it was closer to like 99% or something, which was not far off. I think it was 1% and 99%. So the difference was negligible. So yeah, guys, that's what it is. I think 𝗬𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝘂𝗧 did a better job in this case. Alright guys. Okay, now if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of 𝗬𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝘂𝗧. Right, just to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. Right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.